All right. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we got XG again. And today we have their new official music video, In the Rain. I've only seen a little bit of it, not too much, but we already know our fabulous group is at Coachella right now. And I think they performed this song. I haven't seen it yet. I might go see it next week, but yeah, enough talking, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. Right now, I don't know names. I don't know people like that, so I'm sorry. And I'm sorry for the inconsistency. I've just been a little busy. So I'm sorry about that. But enough talk. If you guys enjoy, you guys like what I'm doing here, hit that like button, subscribe. It does help me out a lot. And let's get right into this music video. Ooh. I like this ominous vibe that we got here so far. No, not my alarm. Ooh. Wait, I like the outfit so far. Ooh, I'm getting goosebumps already. Wait, where are they coming from? Ooh, I like the suits. Ooh. Wait. Oh, this bridge. Oh, that bridge was nice. I'm sorry for pausing there. Oh, I love vocals. Woo! Oh my god. This song is so nice. It's so soothing in my ears. I love the groove and feeling that's... But that's kind of sad. They just left them in the rain. Ooh, that voice is so soothing. Oh. Ooh. Are they all singers or something? It's insane. Oh my god, look at the flow. Oh my. Oh, the 3 levels. Oh my god, it's coming again. Oh, I love this bridge. Oh, it's gradually levels going up. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, the back harmony, you hear it? I gotta go, let's go back. Woo! Oh. Oh my god, the videography is going insane. It's shaking. It's like someone's there recording them do this. Like you know what I mean. Ooh, vocals. Ooh. Oh, damn, they're going down for it. Wow. Wow. That was good. I loved the vocals. You can feel the feeling that they're trying to like I can't English. They're trying to show and convey throughout the music video. It's like, oh my god. But thank you if you guys stayed this far into the video. And wow, what a great song. I think it's in the playlist for sure. But if you guys enjoy and you have any other recommendations or suggestions, please leave them down in the comments. I do try and read and reply to all of them as soon as I can. And yeah, peace out.